Hey guys, this is number 4 of 7 Yamaha XS650s that we're selling off as is for parts. This one here obviously is missing the motor, but the rest of it's in remarkable condition. The tachometer and speedometer are in great shape, as is the ignition and the Heritage Special crossbar, the original handlebars, the switch housings, everything's there, showing 16,276 original miles. The original headlights in great condition, as is the glass, the ears. The forks are perfectly straight. The front fender's in excellent condition, as is the front rim. It even has a really nice Bridgestone Spitfire tire with 90% tread on there. The original front brake caliper, rotor, and master cylinder are intact. In fact, the master cylinder has still got pressure, which is pretty remarkable. It's been sitting in a barn for over 30 years. The previous owner, when I bought this, he shed a tear on this one too, because he's like, wow, when I rolled it in the barn, it looked brand new, because it was basically brand new with a I don't know what happened. He told me what happened to the motor, but the motor got somehow damaged. But it has the kickstand on there. It has the center stand on there. It's got the rear chain guide. The rear fender is in perfect condition. There's no dents on it or anything like that. The rear taillight. The seat is in remarkable condition. The seat he actually had in his house. Check this out. He goes, yeah. When we did the deal, he tried to not let the seat go, but I was like, hey, you said you had the seats for it, and we went down into his basement, and where his new bikes were, he had a walk-out basement. And look at this seat. This seat alone is worth $150, $200. Absolutely no doubt about it. Now think about it. A lot of people are making bobbers out of these. This one has a 1982 date code on it. A lot of people are chopping these things. They're only going to be worth a lot of money in original condition. So the chopper bobbers are going to be worthless in a little while, and you should be able to pick up a good motor for dirt cheap. This even has the intake system and electrical system, and everything's there. So definitely a worthy candidate. There's a lot of these got laid down, smashed, trashed. If you wanted to park this thing out, that's probably the highest and best use of it, but we don't do that here. We decided we don't want to do that anymore. We used to part out bikes, we just don't. So the gas tank on this bike, perfectly straight. There's not a single dent anywhere on this tank that I can see. The original tank badges and everything are in good condition. So lots of great parts on this. If you're a Yamaha guru, I kind of disagreed with Kenny about selling these. I really don't want to sell these, but he said, Pops, you got to let them go. I think I might be a hoarder at heart, because I've been hanging on to all these old bikes, and we have to let them go to raise some funds for the museum. So check out our other auctions. Watch our show next Wednesday on Discovery at 9 p.m. Thanks for watching, and God bless America.